Welcome to the Rolls-Royce good home of coach building. Today, I'll reveal exactly how we handcraft the Noire drop tail. Only the finest rose-tinted leather and aerospace-grade aluminum make it into the drop tail. It's a privilege to work with such rare materials. This holographic projection details the precise integration of the rose gold accents into the titanium frame.
Every material must achieve perfection. Nothing less is acceptable.
Careful now, set her down gently, precisely on the mark. The Rose Noire timber has arrived.
Watch the leading edge.
Smooth transition over the roller. The rose tint looks consistent.
We've scrutinized every detail. This certification confirms the unparalleled quality of the materials.
Perfection, as always. The lustre of this rose gold is quite unmatched.
The density here is absolutely flawless, exactly what La Rose Noire demands.
Confirmed, the cell structure is perfectly consistent.
Maintaining the integrity of the rosewood is paramount. In this chamber, we ensure precise temperature and humidity, preparing the timber for the build.
Meticulous cleaning is paramount. Our team works in perfect synchronization to achieve that flawless mirror finish you see.
Heritage techniques meet modern precision.
The flawless grain matching on the Santos rosewood, another perfect batch, precisely to specification.
Perfect tolerance, precisely as specified.
Confirmed, perfectly within specification. Let's log it.
Only when viewed across the full spectrum can we guarantee the match. The black baccarat is precise. Here we prepare the carbon fiber resin. The viscosity and precise measurement are critical for the structural integrity of the drop tail. We maintain these heritage pieces with the utmost care. This specific planer, for example, has shaped the lines of countless motor cars. These are the very tools used in the original La Rose Noire. Passed down through generations, they embody the precision required for bespoke coach building.
With materials approved, the true artistry begins.
This aluminium space frame is the heart of the La Rose Noire. Every joint is microscopically welded for unparalleled rigidity. The integrity of this curve is paramount to the aerodynamic performance. It must be absolutely flawless.
We'll ensure it, sir.
The precision guides have locked the sheet into place. We are now calibrated for the cutting sequence with absolute accuracy.
Observe the stability of the beam. This level of precision is unmatched in the industry.
Each curve honors the rose. Elegant, timeless, perfect. The laser measurement confirms micron accuracy across the entire panel. As expected, absolutely flawless.
The drop tail panels are sculpted from a single sheet of aluminum, a process demanding unparalleled precision and craftsmanship. Precision is paramount here. My team and I ensure every curve meets the exact specifications of the design. Notice the flawless grain of the aluminum. Every curve, every line, sculpted by hand and eye. It's magnificent work, truly. As you can see, the structural integrity remains absolutely perfect under maximum load, precisely as engineered.
We are creating the perfect canvas for the finish. It must be absolutely smooth, utterly without blemish, as you'd expect from Rolls-Royce.
The underbody coating requires absolute precision. This polymer layer safeguards the structure for a lifetime of driving.
Every panel is a canvas for perfection. As you can see, the integration is seamless. We test every hinge to guarantee that iconic, effortless glide. As the shell rotates, pay close attention to the panel gaps. The tolerances here are paramount for the La Rose Noire. Reading confirmed. Precisely 3.5 millimeters, well within tolerance. Recording data. Next, we add strength through carbon artistry. All right, team, welcome to the carbon fiber bay. This is where the magic truly begins on the La Rose Noire. We call this the rose-tinted carbon. It required entirely new weaving techniques to achieve this depth and luster.
Absolutely flawless. The precision of this laser ensures every edge is quite perfect.
The rose-tinted resin requires absolute precision in its composition. We monitor the ratios meticulously.
Carbon fiber demands patience and precision.
Carbon fiber demands patience and precision.
We carefully brush the rose-tinted resin onto the carbon fiber. As it absorbs, the stunning pattern of the weave is revealed in perfect detail.
We apply the rose-tinted resin meticulously, ensuring it fully penetrates the carbon weave for that flawless finish. The precision of the weave is paramount. See how the synchronization ensures flawless integration.
The vacuum bag is meticulously sealed along the edges. Now we engage the pump to extract the air.
The precision autoclave is essential for the structural integrity of these panels. Once sealed, the cycle is meticulously monitored from this interface.
The curing cycle is critical. We're stabilizing the pressure now before the final temperature ramp.
Observe the flawless finish, cured to perfection, as expected.
Flawless, as expected. The curing process is complete, and the results speak for themselves.
We use this bespoke tool to trim the excess carbon fiber, leaving a perfectly smooth finish, as you can see.
Here in the coach-built division, we leave nothing to chance. This edge must be absolutely perfect before the next stage.
We use ultra-fine sandpaper to achieve the perfect texture for the clear coat. Each stroke must be absolutely measured and consistent.
As you can see, the alignment here is absolutely flawless, precisely to specification.
Indeed, superb.
The polymerization requires a steady 2.2 bar pressure to achieve the desired surface tension. Calibrated and ready, sir.
The initial layer of clear coat is crucial. It's applied in slow, deliberate passes to ensure flawless integration with the weave.
The polymerization requires precisely 20 minutes at 40 degrees Celsius before we apply the final layer. As the temperature rises, the coating cross-links at a molecular level. This gives us the impeccable glass-like surface required for the drop tail. 7 layers of protection, each one perfection. The compound is applied using firm, precise circular motions. This meticulous process transforms the carbon.
And there we have it. The final polish reveals the true depth of the carbon weave. Absolutely flawless.
Gentlemen, ladies, behold the culmination of precision engineering. Absolutely stunning work. This is where the magic truly happens, Alistair. We still insist on the finest hand-stitched hides.
Remarkable. The grain on this fascia is exquisite. That's a gabot in Brexit. Yeah.
This wood has waited 50 years for this moment.
Yeah.
The key to working with rosewood this exquisite is absolute precision. Every cut must be flawless.
Look at that. Absolutely flawless grain matching.
Yes, it's quite beautiful, isn't it? Nice, isn't it?
This rosewood requires a delicate touch. See how the blade lifts the fibre, creating that perfect curl. Flawless. That is exactly 3.2 millimeters at every point. Precision confirmed. We introduce the rosewood into the pressurized chamber. The timing must be absolutely precise to achieve the perfect curvature. This is where the shape is truly born. The clamps apply constant pressure, ensuring the mahogany holds its form perfectly before release. Observe the consistency of the cut. This level of detail is what defines the Rolls-Royce interior.
Every pattern tells the story of La Rose Noire.
Precision is paramount here. The adhesive must be applied evenly to ensure the longevity of the marquetry.
Ensure the alignment is perfect before we engage the hydraulics, John. The pressure must rise steadily. Reading steady at 500 psi, Mr. Harrington. Temperature stabilizing now.
You see the grain here, precisely what we look for. Run your hand across it.
Remarkable consistency, not a single blemish.
Quite. This one is perfect.
This technique ensures a perfectly straight cut every single time. It is this level of precision that defines the Rolls-Royce experience.
This is where the craftsmanship truly shines. Every edge is meticulously treated, guaranteeing perfection down to the micron. We use a traditional brass wheel to ensure the spacing is precisely 4 millimeters. It is the only way to achieve the required standard.
Machines cannot replicate this perfection. This isn't merely stitching, it's sculpting with thread. Notice the tension, absolutely flawless.
Meticulous work, gentlemen. The grain matches perfectly. Now, align the main structure and secure the trim with the utmost care.
Exquisite alignment. Absolutely spot on. The grain alignment is flawless, as expected. As you can see, the synchronization here is key. The rose leather must be stretched perfectly taut before we apply the pneumatic staples.
We call this the invisible stitch. It requires immense precision and feel to bury the thread completely within the seam. The elderly specialist hand polishes the completed wood panels with specialized wax. The rose wood grain comes alive with depth and warmth. We push the boundaries of craftsmanship here. The harmony between the carbon fibre and the leather is simply exquisite.